But yes, today I am getting coached by the Big Bird. What's funny? My manager made my waiting room for me, and then my manager was like, "What's Big Bird social?" And then I was just like, "Just Google it." And then he just sends me a picture of Big Bird from Sesame Street. He's like, "I don't think this is the one you're collabing with, right?" He's like, "Is it the Sesame Street Big Bird? Because I don't know which which Big Bird you're talking about." And I was like, no, Big Bird, and then look up Big Bird FGC.